Welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today we're diving into one of the most outrageous, jaw-dropping creations the truck world has ever seen, the 2026 Ford F-750 Limousine Truck Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just a limo. It's not just a motorhome. And it's far beyond your average heavy-duty truck. This beast takes luxury and utility to a whole new level, and we're here to break it all down for you, from the exterior presence to the interior features, performance, and pricing. Let's start with first impressions, because this thing demands attention. The Ford F-750 base is already massive, but when stretched into limousine proportions and transformed into a full-blown motorhome, the result is a street-legal monster that's nearly 40 feet long and stands tall with a commanding road presence. It's got the face of a big rig and the body of a presidential limo. Up front, you get a massive chrome grille that screams power, flanked by LED projector headlights and a reinforced bumper that means business. The custom bodywork is smooth, bold, and completely unique. Riding on oversized 22.5-inch Alcoa wheels and heavy-duty tires, this F-750 limo truck isn't just for show. It's built to haul, to travel, and to impress. Now step inside, and the madness continues. The interior of this limo truck motorhome is unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. Think private jet meets luxury apartment, on wheels. The main cabin offers lounge-style seating with ultra-soft leather upholstery, reclining captains, chairs, mood lighting, and yes, multiple flat-screen TVs. There's a full-length hardwood floor, panoramic windows, and even a small fireplace for that cozy home-away-from-home vibe. The ceiling features LED stars inspired by Rolls-Royce, and the cabin is fully soundproofed, making long highway drives peaceful and luxurious. But this isn't just about passengers. In the rear, the living quarters include a compact but high-end kitchen with a stainless steel microwave, fridge, and induction cooktop. There's a luxury bathroom with a rainfall shower and vanity mirror. And let's not forget the sleeping area, featuring a queen-size bed, full climate control, and more storage than some New York apartments. Wi-Fi connectivity, smart home integration, and a surround sound system powered by Bang & Olufsen speakers round out the interior experience. Under the hood, the 2026 F-750 limo truck packs serious muscle. Powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke V8 turbo diesel engine, this giant pushes out around 330 horsepower and 750 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission that's been tuned for smooth shifting and massive towing capabilities. Despite its size, it drives with surprising ease thanks to upgraded suspension, air brakes, and adaptive steering. It's not going to beat any sports cars, but it can tow your boat, carry your bikes, and host a party, all in one trip. Ford and the custom upfitters didn't stop at just size and luxury. They also loaded this machine with tech. You get a massive touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 360-degree cameras for easy maneuvering, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. This is the kind of truck that doesn't just make a statement, it owns the road with technology to match its bold design. Now let's talk about the price. This isn't your average F-Series. The base F-750 chassis starts around $70,000. But once you factor in the custom limo bodywork, luxury motorhome build-out, and top-tier features, you're looking at a price tag north of $350,000 to $500,000, depending on the options and customization. For celebrities, high-end travelers, or executive clients, this might be the ultimate road trip flex. So, who's this monster really for? If you want to travel in style, make an unforgettable entrance, or simply live large on the road, this truck is it. It's not practical for everyone, but it wasn't built to be. It's built to impress, to indulge, and to dominate every mile. Thanks for riding with us today on Auto Info Master. If you enjoyed this wild review of the 2026 Ford F-750 Limousine Truck Motorhome, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. For more insane vehicle content, and let us know in the comments, Would you take this monster cross country? See you in the next video.